Managing multiple TikTok accounts manually. Logging in, uploading, logging out, again and again. What if you could upload videos to dozens of TikTok accounts at once, automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to bulk upload TikTok videos using MKT Tikpro. MKT Tikpro is a TikTok automation tool that helps you manage multiple TikTok accounts, upload videos in bulk, add descriptions, hashtags, and music automatically, and post videos like a real human behavior. Now let me show you how it works step by step. This section is where all your TikTok accounts are managed and prepared for posting. Go to Video Management. Create a folder to organize your videos. Click Add Video. Select multiple videos at once. Once added successfully, you'll see the full video list displayed here. You can edit the description, add hashtags, keywords, or affiliate content. Navigate to Post Video. Select the TikTok accounts you want to post on. On the right side, configure the posting behavior. Set delay time between actions, for example, 10 to 15 seconds. Choose videos to upload. I will set up one account and upload one video. Not allow duplicate video posting and not delete video after posting. No tags and not change music. Setting visibility mode is public. Interact after posting video by liking and commenting on the video. Check music copyright. Fast content check and delete copyrighted videos when using fast content check. You can schedule video uploads for each account if you wish. Click Start. The software will automatically open the browser. Log into TikTok accounts. Upload and publish videos based on your settings. No manual work required. If you're serious about scaling TikTok traffic, running multiple TikTok accounts, automating your content workflow, MKT Tikpro is the tool you need. Contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Details are pinned in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, turn on notifications for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.